Welcome to the Base School. Today we're learning IAS 1, Presentation of Financial Statements. IAS 1 gives us the rules for how to present financial statements properly, from the Statement of Financial Position to the Profit and Loss Statement to the notes. Let's dive in. What is IAS 1 about? IAS 1 provides the foundation for producing general-purpose financial statements. By requiring a particular structure and set of guidelines, it promotes comparability between various companies and between reporting periods. A complete set of financial statements comprises a statement of financial position at the end of the period, a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the period, a statement of changes in equity for the period, a statement of cash flows for the period, and notes to the accounts. The IAS 1 is based on a few fundamental principles. Consider these to be the guidelines for creating financial statements. These include 1. Financial statements must comply with IFRS and present fairly the financial position, performance, and cash flows. 2. The statements are prepared on a going concern basis, assuming the entity will operate for at least 12 months from the reporting date. 3. Entities should use the accrual basis of accounting, except for cash flow statements. Transactions are recognized when they occur, not when cash is exchanged. 4. Each material class of similar items must be presented separately, while immaterial items may be aggregated. 5. Unless a particular IFRS mandates or allows it, assets and liabilities as well as income and expenses cannot be offset. For instance, offsetting revenue against associated expenses is not allowed. 6. An entity must present a complete set of financial statements at least annually. 7. Comparative information for the preceding period must be presented for all reported amounts. And 8. The presentation and classification of items should be consistent between periods. To wrap it up, you need 5 core statements, apply the accrual basis, assume going concern, and never offset unless allowed. Stay consistent and don't forget comparatives. Simple structure, strong foundation. That's your IAS 1 simplified. Save this and follow for more simplified standards every week.